Hello everyone, I am Preeti, you're watching Boldsky. A nutritious diet does not just keep your body healthy inside and outside as well. Especially consumption of vegetables and fruit juices is one of the most effective and fastest way to get a healthy skin. Today I am going to prepare a very simple juice recipe using cucumber which will help you to make your skin healthier at a very pocket friendly price. So come, let's get started with this. And the ingredients which are required to prepare this cucumber juice are cucumber and apple. First, we will take the cucumber, cut both the ends and peel its skin off. Then cut it into small pieces and add them into juicer. Then we will take our apple and chop it into small pieces. And add it into juicer as well. Now we will add 1/4 cup of water into juicer, close the lid and grind it. We will take a bowl and strainer and then filter the juice. Transfer it into glass. Our cucumber and apple juice is ready now. This will be the best for your skin and you have to use twice a week to get better results. Thank you so much for watching our video. See you all.